Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I couldn't. This one we had to do Mnakwethu, right? Can we also start by saying, I don't understand why Umseleku in this season afuna bakhapi. Where are the friends going? Ugetrude bekayapi? Ngoba indaba le is between married people. But nonetheless, let us move and start with the husband, right? Ubathu thobelekile yena yona ntwe asisho ukuthi uguy handsome. Like his handsomeness is proper and we are in agreement with it. But ke uguy uthi ufuna isithembu because umfazi wakhe akazali. Mina, from what I heard, maybe when you heard something different, he has not presented ukuthi he's got other children outside. It's as if agana mntwana at all. So how does he know ukuthi yena is not the problem and then uMadlamini is the problem? All right, fine. Comes and presents Umastole. Umastole is looking all good. Umastole is young in. And then Umastole uthi uzowakha. Uwakha kanjani umuzi womunye umuntu? Awumanga wena mawuzowakha. Alright, fine, siphume lapho. Singenele kumseleku. Ama-comments kaMseleku iwangipompa guys. That's why ngiyenza namhlanje. Umseleku athi iminyaka kaMadlamini iyahamba. Ihambi yaphi? Yendoda imile, iminyaka imile, tsiya itsama yona. Like, is the wife older than the husband? Even if the wife is older than the husband, angisho umkhethile. Athi ke shuthi lo mfazi akazweli lo guy because lo guy umzwelile and was able to ukuthi astande naye throughout ubunzima lobo hamba nabo. Ubunzima baba together. And when we say through thickness and what do we mean? Guys, ngisizeni ngomnakwethu. I can't. Akimo bakoni kimseleku. Kuba linthuse ngilenhlalisetse ngor mseleku na ring pila because wow. Yo, this is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace, bye.